meow, 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 meow.
Hey everyone! Today, let's learn how to draw and color a beautiful flower in a few simple steps. First, draw a neat little circle right in the middle of your page using a pencil or marker. This will be the center of our flower. Now, draw 6 lovely, rounded petals, one by one, all around the circle, just like this.
Meow, 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 meow,
From the bottom of the flower, draw a straight line going down to create the stem.
meow, 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 meow.
Add 2 nice leaves on both sides of the stem. And just like that, our flower outline is ready.
Meow, 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 meow,
It's time to color. Fill in the center circle with a bright, beautiful yellow color. Next, color all the petals around it with a rich red shade. Look how vibrant it looks already.
Meow, 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 meow,
Now, grab your dark green color and neatly fill in the stem. Finally, color the 2 leaves with a nice light green shade. And our gorgeous colorful flower is complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!